Hey guys, well, I showed you on Friday Night Tech Talk that I got my Apple Watch Series 10. Finally have a chance to unbox it. So you can see it's an Apple Watch Series 10 46mm rose gold.
Let's do this!
And I got the blue-red Nike Sport Loop. I like those Sport Loop watch bands. So let's get the watch unboxed. I gotta give Apple credit. I got the rose gold. Even the paper they wrapped the watch in is kind of rose gold. And of course we have our charging puck and of course paperwork. I only chose rose gold because I never had that color before, but I really like it. So first I want to put on that Nike Sport Loop band. And I like the fact that these bands are kind of easy to snap on and off, even with my fumble fingers. So that's how it looks. I think it's a really good looking watch, especially with that blue-red band. I think I put the right colors together. So let's see how easy it is to pair up the watch to my iPhone 15 Pro Max. And there it is, that paired up rather easily. And the last thing I'm going to do is find a watch face that's more in line with my style. So it looks like I found one that's kind of just right for me. And the last thing I wanted to show you was how it compares to my Pixel Watch 3. And of course my Pixel Watch 3 is much bigger than my original Pixel Watch, which I traded in. And that's 44mm, and this one is 46. I'm liking the size of these. So that's my quick unboxing of the Apple Watch Series 10, guys. And I'm really liking the looks of this one, and I like the colors I picked. So as always, comments are welcome. Thanks for watching. And remember, if you like my content, please share the videos with friends, family, or whomever you think might be interested. Subscribe if you haven't already done so, and be sure to click the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos that I upload. And please hit the thumbs up, as it does help with the algorithm.
So there's one other thing.
We all do better when we love each other.